Hello, my beautiful Chatify English family. Welcome back. Let me ask you something. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" do you ever feel nervous? Do you want to answer with confidence, but don't know the right words? Because today, Brad and I will show you how to talk about your day in English in the easiest, warmest, most natural way.
Yes, and by the end of this video, you will speak about your day like a real English speaker. Slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
So before we begin, hit that subscribe button and join our Chatify English family. We learn English together, every single week. Hi everyone, I'm Emilia, your friendly English guide.
And I'm Brad, your conversation friend. We're so happy you're here with us today. Seriously, it feels like we're one big, warm family.
So Brad, how's your morning going?
Well, I woke up late. Again. My alarm clock was like, beep, beep, beep. And I said, 5 more minutes. And then, 1 hour passed.
Brad, every day.
I know. But hey, I made coffee, and now I'm alive.
Good, because today we're teaching everyone how to talk about their day in English.
Let's make it fun and simple. Okay, Brad, let's show them an example of how to talk about your day. Let's imagine it's a normal day, nothing special, but full of small moments.
Perfect. So, let's start from the beginning. Morning. So, Emilia, how did your morning start? Well, I woke up at 7 a.m. I stretched my arms, and I said, "Good morning, world."
Wow, that's cute.
Then I checked my phone, and I saw 35 messages. 35!
Oh no.
Yes, but most of them were from my mum. She sent me like 10 pictures of our cat.
Classic mum behavior.
Exactly. Then I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made breakfast. I brushed my teeth, I washed my face.
Okay, beautiful. Now, let's teach our viewers how to describe their morning.
I woke up at, meaning the time you start your day. Example, I woke up at 6:30 today.
I got ready for the day, meaning you prepared yourself. Teeth, face, clothes. Example, I got ready for the day and left the house. Okay, Emilia, after breakfast, what happened?
Well, I went to work, and something funny happened.
Oh no, what now?
I walked into the office, and everyone was staring at me.
Why?
Because I was holding my coffee, but I forgot the lid. So coffee was everywhere.
Oh no, Emilia, you had a coffee disaster.
Yes, but it's okay. I cleaned it, and I started working.
I went to, meaning the place you visited. Example, I went to school. I went to the park.
I started working, meaning you began your tasks. Example, I started working at 9 a.m.
And after work?
I had lunch with my friend Anna. She told me a really funny story.
Tell us.
She said she tried cooking pasta, but she burned water.
Wait, she burned water?
Yes, I still don't know how that is possible.
I had lunch with. Example, I had lunch with my sister. Okay, now let's move to the evening, because this is the part everyone forgets how to talk about.
Yes, so in the evening, I came home, relaxed, and watched a series.
What did you watch?
A cooking show, and I got hungry again.
Classic Emilia.
I relaxed, meaning you rested, you took time to feel calm. Example, I relaxed after a long day.
I watched. Example, I watched a movie. This is a perfect example of how to talk about your day in English. And guess what? Now it's your turn, dear viewer. What time do you wake up?
And do you drink coffee in the morning? Or tea? Beautiful. Let's continue.
Wake up. Meaning, open your eyes in the morning. Example, I wake up at 7. Get ready. Meaning, prepare for the day. Example, I get ready quickly. Go to work, school. Meaning, move to your job or studies. Example, I go to school at 8. Have breakfast. Meaning, eat in the morning. Example, I have breakfast every day. Start working. Meaning, begin tasks. Example, I start working at 9. Have lunch. Meaning, eat in the middle of the day. Example, I have lunch at 1. Relax. Meaning, rest. Example, I relax in the evening. Watch something. Meaning, look at TV, videos. Example, I watch lessons on YouTube. Come home. Meaning, return to your house. Example, I come home at 6. Go to bed. Meaning, prepare to sleep. Example, I go to bed at 10.
Repeat after me, slowly. I wake up at 7. I get ready for the day. I go to work. I have lunch with my friend. I relax in the evening.
Now choose the correct answer. A. I wake up at morning. B. I wake up in the morning. Correct answer, B.
Now your turn. Describe one thing you do every morning. Beautiful. Let me tell you a small story about Brad.
Uh-oh.
Last week, Brad wanted to be healthy, so he said, I will wake up early and go for a morning run.
Yes, I had a plan.
But guess what? He woke up late.
My bed was too comfortable.
So he jumped out of bed, put on his shoes and started running. But he forgot something.
My phone?
Number, your pants.
I was wearing pajamas shorts. In the street.
People were staring. One man said, Sir, are you okay?
It was the most embarrassing day ever.
But that's how we learn vocabulary and also life lessons.
You learned how to talk about your morning, describe your afternoon, explain your evening, use simple daily phrases, build full sentences with confidence. Repeat this video to practice more.
Tell us in the comments. Describe your day in 5 simple sentences. We read every single comment.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You are part of our Chatify English family now. We're proud of you. Keep practicing, keep shining, keep growing.
See you in the next lesson.